good, y'all? This is your boy Chris, and I'm back at it again with another video for you guys. We're back here with the R3. We're gonna do a little maintenance to the R3, so we're gonna change the oil. Let me get down here. So we're gonna change the oil on this bad boy. So let me just point y'all to where the oil filter and everything like that. So we got, hopefully y'all can see. So this right here is the oil plug, and this right here is the oil filter. We're about to change both of these, and I'm gonna try to do it without taking the fairings off, because that's gonna be a lot of work trying to take that off. And we're gonna clean the chain. I'm gonna just clean the chain real quick. And then this is the oil, this is the filter I got. So I got this oil filter, the K&N. Got the chain lube. Got the 10W Mobile 1. And I'm gonna change it. Hold on. Alright, y'all, so I made a little bit of a mess here. I made a little bit of mess because I thought I had the proper oil drain, but apparently I didn't, so I had to use Tupperware. As you can see, I took off the oil filter. Can't get a good angle in there, but hopefully y'all can see that I took off the oil filter and the plug. As you see, it's still dripping. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good. Now I'm going to put the plug back on. So I'm going to clean off the bolt a little bit. You can see it's still dripping over here. Make it look nice and shiny. Now that it's all nice and shiny, I'm gonna throw that bad boy. Right back in, and then I am going to tighten it up.
Okay, just for a little bit. Okay. Okay, Chelsea? Okay, just for a little bit. Because I'm going to get the new boss.
Alright, so then you just screw this bad boy in.
Are you getting an oil change or something? No, this is white. Sure.
Make sure there's no leaks. Alright, so this is the aftermath. This is what it sounds like after the oil change. It actually sounds a whole lot better, actually. Oh, and this is the aftermath that I have to clean up now. Well, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all get a proper oil drain container to catch the oil with, and then you can use the old containers to put the old oil in, and then you can dispose of it correctly. All right, y'all. Peace.